In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide followers on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to head over to menu. Then tap at gear to open up settings and privacy. And then scroll down until you find followers and public content. Then get into it. Right here, you can easily find the option which is called Who Can See Your Followers on Your Timeline. And now, guys, to hide followers on Facebook so that any user that open up our profile won't be able to see our followers, we need just to tap right here and then select Only Me to completely hide it, or we can also set this audience to friends to allow friends see the number of our followers and to prevent anyone except our friends to do that. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.